Hi, this is Ted from Ted TV Photos doing another unbagging today. And today I'm unbagging the AER Gym Tote 2. And this is in the X-Pack material. So I have one of the other bags from AER specifically for gym, and I really enjoyed it. And to be honest with you, I've been looking forward to this one. So when I heard it came out in X-Pack, I've had to go ahead and purchase that. And with that, we'll go ahead and start. First thing is it's X-Pack. If you're a follower of X-Pack, you know that it's basically sailcloth. Very strong, very waterproof, very durable. And the whole concept is it has these little X's in here, or diamonds, so that when you make a cut or an incision occurs, it won't continue to grow and grow and grow. X-Pack is some awesome material. So first thing I'm going to go ahead is just look at it. AER, like Shimoda, like Peak Design, just does some great work. So with that, we'll go ahead and start. First thing you have on the front, little side pouch. And because it's X-Pack, it has that bright, bright, bright orange. First bag with X-Pack orange on it. I'm actually looking forward to it. I'll let you know how I think afterwards. All right, you look inside there. Nothing really. It goes from about here to where my arm is. So probably about 12 inches. On the side right here, and this is why it's a gym tote, because it has the ability to do shoes in here. And depending on who you talk to, they said it'll fit up to a size 12. As you can see, it's all the way down to my elbow right here. So yeah, pretty cool. Then on the back, you have a little pouch here. And this goes about 8 inches in. Again, that beautiful orange color. And then you have a luggage trolley. I'm actually flying this week, and I'm trying to contemplate whether I'm going to use this bag when I fly on the airlines. I'm doing an international trip. So with that, let's go ahead and look on the inside. First thing you notice is the straps. There is a strap holder. Cool. And then, of course, you have this very large zipper inside. And it has a holder right there, so when you pull it, it's easy to close. And it has some type of rain-proof zipper. Unfortunately, if you look at it, the only bad thing is it's still open here, still open here. But I'm not concerned about it. I'm not going to be playing in the rain. Open it up. Again, you have the large pouch right here where your shoes go, and that can be tucked into the corner. And I'll show you that in a second. You've got an iPad, notebook, probably 15, 16 inch for sure. A water pouch right here. And then on the front side, you've got 2 pockets here and another pocket here. So what I expected, actually a little bit better than I expected, although that orange is bright, but I think I'm going to like this. Oh, yeah. So final thing is, I showed you about that pouch. If I'm not going to carry shoes in here, what I can do is do this. Open this up, and if you notice right here, it has a little place here. And what you do is you basically fold this up. And then you can place it inside here. Like so. And then when you zipper it up, when you open it back up, you have that whole open area now, because it's gone. It's been folded inside there, if you can see what I'm talking about. Oh, I love this. X-Pack. So again, this is the AER Gym Tote 2, version 2, in X-Pack with that bright-ass orange. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe so you can see more of my unboxings and my adventures. Thanks for stopping by. See ya. Bye.